In this video, we will learn how to use Python's np.vsplit. Alright, so first we import numpy as np, and let's create a random 12x4 array that we'll call A. Now we can use np.vsplit on this array to split it into subarrays. So let's try np.vsplit a, 4. And now we get a list of 4 different arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cut the vertical array A into 4, hence the V split for vertical. Let's do this again. Here is A. Now let's cut it into 6 arrays. You can see now we have 6 2x4 arrays instead of one 12x4. vsplit only works when the number of splits is a divisor of the amount of rows. This is because vsplit only allows you to split into equal portions. So always remember np.vsplit cuts on the rows. So there you have it. That is how you can use np.vsplit in Python. Please check out some of my other Python videos, and please consider subscribing for more Python programming content.